Namaskaram. In this video, I'm going to talk about diabetes in brief, that what is diabetes and what are the types of the diabetes, how do people get the diabetes, the causes, and what complications diabetes can cause, and what are the indications of the diabetes. So at first, let's talk about the diabetes, that what is diabetes basically. We all know that our body needs energy to function. To get the energy, we take the food, we have intake of food. So when we intake food, so the food breaks down in sugar, glucose. So because that glucose that is assimilated by our body in form of energy. So what happens when our food breaks down in glucose, sugar? So our pancreas, it releases a hormone called insulin. So when somebody is having diabetes, so either the pancreas is producing very less amount of the insulin, or the body is not able to use its own insulin. So this is the problem which gives the diabetes. Because the pancreas is not producing sufficient amount of this insulin, so your the sugar level, the glucose level in your body increases. So this is how people get diabetes. So this is the main reason of getting diabetes. This is about diabetes, and now the causes about the diabetes, that why people get the diabetes. So the first cause can be a genetic cause. So many people, they have this running in their blood, like in their lineage they have this diabetes. Your parents might be having, your grandparents might be having. This increases your risk of having diabetes. So the second reason, that is the most common, most prominent reason, is lifestyle. Nowadays people are having so much sedentary habit and lack of the proper exercise. So this is also a big reason of getting diabetes. The sedentary habit, the lifestyle habit, eating the wrong food, or mostly this junk food, this is causing diabetes. Then another prominent reason of getting diabetes is stress. Stress is also a very big factor, because with the stress also many people, they get diabetes. Some people, they even overeat due to stress, and there can be many reasons, many complications stress can give. So one complication is the diabetes. So stress is also a big reason of getting diabetes. Then other reason can be like pregnancy. So some women, they get diabetes in the pregnancy. So this can be complicated for both mother and the child also. So there are many reasons for getting diabetes, but mostly I call it a lifestyle disorder. So if somebody is really following a proper lifestyle, a yogic lifestyle, having good food habits, so this diabetes can be controlled. So this is the main reason of getting diabetes. So now let's talk about the types of the diabetes. We have type 1, type 2, then the gestational diabetes, that is caused during the pregnancy. So the type 1 diabetes, it's not common, it's rare. It is usually found in children. So type 1 diabetes is you can say it's a autoimmune disorder. In this diabetes, the immune system of your body start destroying the insulin in your pancreas. It prevents the pancreas from producing enough, producing sufficient insulin. So your immune system is acting against you. So there are many reasons of type 1 diabetes. It's like maybe chemical reactions, bacterial, viral infections, and most of the causes are usually unidentified for getting this autoimmune diabetes type 1, but this is not that common. Then we have type 2 diabetes. So type 2 diabetes, studies say that 90 to 95% of the people, they get type 2 diabetes. And if you go by data, so above 65%, more than 25% of above the age of 65 years, more than 25% of the world population is having diabetes. This is the reason I was thinking to create a course for the diabetes. So nowadays diabetes is so rampant. So and this type 2 diabetes is mostly this is the most common form of the diabetes. And yes, there are many things we can do to prevent this diabetes, to cure this diabetes, so to reverse the diabetes effect. So this is about the type 2 diabetes. And then we have diabetes that is related to pregnancy. This can cause complication for both mother and the baby also. So these are the three types of the diabetes people can get. So what can be the indications of having diabetes? So the first thing is, a person may have the problem of frequent urination, can be having facing blurred vision, or maybe having uncontrollable thirst and hunger, or maybe getting hungry again and again, thirst again and again. So these are like and then a person can get the wounds which are not healing easily, because in diabetes wounds they don't heal so easily. So all these are the indications of having diabetes. What complication this diabetes can cause in the body? Diabetes can cause many complications. So the major organs of the body, they get affected due to diabetes. Like the main reason of the kidney damage nowadays is diabetes. So yes, it affects your kidney, it affects your eyesight, it affects your your wound healing capabilities. So this like if you say there was a research in UK. So the major cause of preventable eyesight loss in UK is basically diabetes. So diabetes gives many complications in the body. Many organs they get affected by the diabetes. So this was about diabetes. In my next videos you can see in more detail about all these points. This was like a short video about the introduction of the diabetes. Thank you.